Hi, it's me again with Corel Draws Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this photograph of or JPEG of a font, and they want to know how they could trace it. Well, you can't really trace that. And I've already kind of started and found out it is Impact. So we go to Impact, and we get that same font. Now, I don't know if they want it to look exactly like that, but that's close enough. Now we're going to left click, right click, and get an outline. We're going to go to Object, convert it to a curve. We're going to go to Effects, and we're going to contour it. .08. That's pretty good. You want kind of the same thickness as you were. Now we need to go to Object and break contour apart. Now we can take the Shape tool and select these two nodes and just go right here and add nodes, and it'll add just a bunch of nodes. That might be too many, but that's good enough. And then just holding down the control button and just pick whatever node you want. Then if this one, it needs to be a little bit skinnier, just keep your control button down. Now see, I had both selected. So you only want that one selected and move that up. That looks pretty good. And I have one on the K. So the same thing. Select these two nodes and add to it. Now I would maybe go back and delete those unwanted nodes, because if you were going to cut that out, it could cause you a little bit of problem, even with a laser. Let's make it a little bit further. That's pretty good. Now we're going to take that inside shape and we're going to nudge it down. And then let's get real close to this and let's make a line. Holding down the control, got my wrong tool. Sometimes Corel does that if you start using the control button pre-hand. We'll make it black, and then we'll see about how thick it is. I'm going to go 16 points. And then you could actually, if you want it exactly like that, so the line's a little bit thicker, let's make it 20 points. There we go. And if it's something in between, you can always use something in between. Now just elongate that line. Control D and make a duplicate of that line and move it down. Control D, Control D. Sometimes my laptop does that. And you could actually get the whole thing in Control D and move it down. Probably need one more. Now group this together. Here's a little trick. You can hit L, doesn't matter, it's going to line them up. Let's group this together. And let's go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame. And then just nudge it up. Then it looks like the outline's just black. So just fill in the outline. We'll have to fill in the outline on the inner parts too. That's pretty close. Their lines are a little bit thicker, but if you're not trying to copy that, you're just trying to get something like that, that would work. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.